Good morning.
Dope made another one.
Hi, good morning. Today is Tuesday, the number 3 of June, the 3rd of June, and time is 8:34. So, first of all, let's start with the trades I took yesterday. Whew. 3, 2, 1, go. So, trades I took yesterday. Let's first of all start by checking the calendar because yesterday, news did me dirty. I did not know. I did not know that it was news. I didn't know there was news. I don't know why. Somehow I just feel like news don't happen on Monday because I mean it's Monday. The market just opened. Why is there news? But that was a very rookie assumption. So, um, let's start with Euro USD. I don't want to clear my charts, right? So I first entered the trade here, right? Because this is my original plan, right here. This is my original plan. But like before price to get there, I wanted to catch a correctional move that would bring price down there. So I entered around here and I was in profit too at first. See now, I was in profit. I did the same for Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP USD, see, and NZD USD. NZD USD. See, I entered here. Right, I entered here. All three. So I have this bias with USD trades. For example, I see a setup in USD trade. There's a very high chance that I will take that setup in GBP USD, NZD USD. I no longer trade BTC USD and XCD USD, but the moves are kind of similar. They're not exactly the same, but they are kind of similar. So yeah, and whatever bias I have for maybe a Euro USD trade, GBP USD trade, NZD USD trade, I have the opposite bias for USD GPY, which now extends to GBP GPY. You get, so like that. They don't move exactly the same way, but like they are similar in their moves. So yeah, those three trades I took them yesterday, and I was in profit at first too. I took a screenshot. I was in profit at first. Then news happened. That was when this very impulsive move happened. I didn't know there was news. Back to Euro USD, this impulsive move happened, and I was stopped out. So I started checking. Okay, what was price reaching for? Why was price going there? So I set a sell limit here that got activated in the middle of the night. Currently running. Let's see how it turns out. I'm not going to close. Should I close? I'm not going to close out of here because my GBP USD trade yesterday. Let me show you. GBP USD trade. I closed out of here. When price started pushing up, I just closed like around or so. So that was like $3 or so yesterday. And yeah. So my original target is here. Original target is here. Is my original target. So I'm waiting. Same for NZD USD. I entered again, but price stopped me out big time. So I've set a limit for this space. So yeah, that was the trade I took yesterday. Or those are the trades I took yesterday. I was supposed to show you guys my strategy this week. Let's pick a clean NZD USD chart. Let me use NZD USD because it's the clearest there. Let's use Wanda. I don't know what that is though. I think, like I said in my last video, this setup is big thank you to Miss Happiness Hansen. I am so grateful for this. Since I came across some videos, like Forex became so simple and so so makes sense. Price made sense. Like everything I learned in ICT made sense when I met her. So I've not really met her in person. When I came across her videos, I love her a lot. I really love her a lot. So yeah. First of all, we look at the daily time frame. That's where it start from. See the general bias. Me, sometimes I go as far back as looking at the month and to see exactly what price is doing. What is price doing? Price looks bearish right now. Oh, price is reacting off of something. Interesting. This is the monthly order block. Price bracket. I think I marked out this point as equals. Equal three equals like this. Price is going to run through very soon. And probably target this other block, but that's not my focus right now. For the monthly time frame, price looks bearish. On the weekly time frame too, it looks like price is like consolidating within a range. Like, yeah, but it's giving bullish, trying to bullish up, trying to bounce. So back to the daily time frame. I'm going to stick with bullish. Price is bullish on the daily time frame. So this looks like a very crazy change of character, but we're not going to focus. We're going to focus on the most recent moves. We're going to read the internal structures of the most recent move. This is bullishness. Let's see. We'll start from it. This is a break of structure to the downside. That means this is a change of character. I'm not marking it out. Alright, sorry, let me mark it out. This break of structure to the downside. BOS. Because to the downside, the originating order block was this price escalated. It looks choppy here, so I'm just going to move to the 4-hour time frame for better perspective. So we're reading this structure, this move up. This is what we're reading. So right here, break of structure. So I'm going to start from break of structure to the upside. BOS, right? The origin, this is the origin. This is what caused that break of structure. The impulsive move. The candle before the impulsive move. Happiness Hansen says the candle before the impulsive move. It doesn't have to be an opposite candle. It just has to be the candle before the impulsive move. But so as we have it here though, it is the opposite candle. So price reacted off of it and bounced off again. So this right here, okay, let's do the internal structure as we go along too, please. This is a break of structure right here. Where's the origin? This is this break of structure right here. So this is the origin. And price did touch it, right? So keep going. Yeah, so this is another internal break of structure right here. This is like the full origin. And price has already, of course, mitigated it. This is the origin. Price has touched it. So this, another very minute, but let's go over to here. Break of structure to the upside. The origin is right here. This origin is yet to be mitigated. So another break of structure to the upside. From here to here. And this is the origin. This right here is my origin. Price seems to be reaching for it right here. More internal breaker structures here. Internal breaker structure origin is this right here. Let's move over to the 2 hour time frame. Before Miss Happiness Hansen, I didn't know there was like you could check on the 2 hour time frame. Based on my ICT training, it was daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, then 1 minute. So let's see. In 2 hour time frame, this will be refined to this right here. That is the other valve that we'll watch out for. Yeah. So 1 hour time frame, please. Let's read more internal structures. Let's see. Breaker structure. Further refined. So further refined to this. Right. That. So this is my origin. Only 1 hour time frame. Let's take come here. There are many tiny structures to read here. Many internal structures to read here. Breaker structure to the upside right here. BOS. Come on, don't take my time. Then the origin. So this is also something to look out for. Price did not mitigate this, so these are all mitigated OB order block. Many other breaker structure, but right now they're not important because price is like literally slicing through. Most likely targeting here. There is a fair value gap here. Let's go down to the 30-minute time frame so I can see clearly. Okay, it's still valid, but there is an FVG here. There's an imbalance here. So this is what price has reacted off of it. Let's see. FVG. Price has reacted off of it. So price may not get to my entry. 15 minutes, down to the 15 minutes. Price has reacted off. Price is reacting off of this. Now in the 15-minute time frame, you can see now that what we marked as FVG is actually an order block. It's actually an order block, and the gap is actually under. This is the FVG right here. So price is reacting off of this, but I still think price will come down to slash this imbalance. Let me tap my entry and move. So this is my strategy. This is how it works. All right. So things I look out for are first of all, read the structure, read the internal breaker structure too. So breaker structures, watch out for breaker structure, then order block, fair value gap, liquidity sweep. Price just sweep liquidity here, so I'm still expecting price to come down, to come attack it. So this is my strategy. This is how it works. Yeah, so that's it. Hello, good morning. Today is Wednesday the 4th of June. I want to show you guys this backspace. Let's first of all open the one that's giving me joy right now, and that's Euro USD. Currently in a trade right now. It's 5 minutes, sorry, 15 minutes. Yeah. So yesterday I closed this trade somewhere around here and see what price did. Full margin, full TP, but I don't care. No regrets, no feelings, no nothing. You just move on. So price tap into my entry somewhere along the line the night. I woke up to my entry already tapped into, and price is giving bullish today, but then again this could just be manipulation, and yeah, because a lot of accumulation here, and then again price dipped before price went up. So price is giving bullish right now, so I'm not going to change my bias. Price is going out right now, probably seeking something on the 5-minute time frame. I think price is seeking here, and price has started to this place. I don't know, whatever price is doing, price is still bullish. I want to show you something on NZT, New Zealand dollar backspace, and price has just been on 15-minute time frame, you can see price has just been doing sideways stuff, consolidating here, and here is the range. I don't know what price, what is price hoping to do? What is the market hoping to do? Is I think the market's preparing for, there's the red letter news today by 1, I think. So I think the market's preparing for that. Well, if price gets here, I'm going to enter this trade. I'll enter around here. Stop loss to be here, and let me show you. I'll go long on NZD USD. It stops here. My TP will be there. My stop loss will be here. Stop loss should be here. That's a very large stop loss. Stop loss naturally says should be somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, but I don't expect price. The stop loss is going to be just below the other block that I marked out, so it's supposed to be around here. If price crashes down to this part, I think I should actually be waiting for a sell or this trade to be activated here. So, but I don't think it's going to get that far down. So yeah, that's it. Then for GBP USD backspace, GBP USD did not get to my entry. Price did not get to my entry before price left me. Like price almost got there, but did not. This no price was doing here. So if I were to enter this trade again, I'll look for an entry on my entry will be on the 5-minute time frame. You get why? Yep, this would be my entry points. Should be my entry point, other block, fair value gap, small fair value gap right there, and I'll take a long right here. If price does get there, and my TP be there. Stop loss, yes, just yeah, stop loss right there. Go down, yeah. If price does get there. For GBP JPY, let's see. Sorry, USD JPY rather. I don't know. I got stopped out yesterday there. Here would have been this right here would have been a good, but it has missed my entry. But price is just lethargic. This is the 5-minute though. Price is very lethargic. On 15 minutes, it looks like I don't know. It's still kind of ranging. Yeah, price is ranging somehow. It's tricky. Price has not broken strictly to the downside, so I don't know if price is selling. So I'm waiting. But I'm trading Euro USD. I'm buying on Euro USD, so that means price may likely sell. But I don't want to enter based off of that alone. I can't see a clear entry. Oh my god, those dogs. Dogs are quiet now. I can't see a clear entry. I just can't see a clear entry. Maybe because I've not really settled down to analyze it, but I'm not just doing that today. I don't have to enter the market, like I don't have to. Then GG, I completely missed out on this move. So this shows that price is going to come back down here. There's so much imbalance right here. So, but price has not said anything. I think if price will want to start going up, price may push up a bit and react off of this, or I think so. But I'm not entering the market. That's the way. I think it's an order block. Let's check 30-minute time and see where that block came from. This is the other block here from 30-minute time. Price may get there and decide to, but then there's also imbalance here. So what is my what makes me think price will not come here? So I'm not going to enter GJ at all. But right now, what I'm looking at is Euro USD, USD and GBP USD. Those are my entry. So let me show you guys something here. I was testing out something this morning. I'm learning something, right? Let's see this on the 5 minute time frame. Right, that just shifts and shift price starting to it. This is an order block on the 1 minute time frame, by the way. So if I were to enter this, I think I'm on my demo account. I still have a demo account on the side. I think I'm in this trade. I didn't want to. Who is this person? I didn't want to take the trade on my main account. Right? I entered this trade based off of the first candle rule. Something I learned recently. It's something I learned recently. The first candle rule. Let's make this smaller so tighter. Yeah. So this is the first candle. This is the first candle. Yeah. And and this is the first candle. If there's a breakout from the first candle, it shows that price will be bullish that day. There's that. And I've still not understood it properly, but I just did it to support my own strategy, right? My own entry already on Euro USD. This is my main Euro USD chart that I use to trade, so I just use it to support this. I don't know where price is going to right now. I don't know what price is doing right now. Price may just decide that okay, I want to reverse. I don't know, but I'm not going to close my trade. If I stop loss, I stop loss. We move on. So yeah, I think personally, if price is going down, come on, it's probably going to target this FVG or retest this space and move back up. Or price is just moving back up anyway. I'm not doing anything off of that. Yeah, that's it. That's all. That's all for it this morning. I'll let you guys know how the day goes. So, peace out. So guys, this is my shop. It's coming together. Actually coming together. This wasn't the way it was before. It was way scanty. I didn't have the green work, but look at me now. So as Forex is coming together, my shop is coming together.
But you know, say you're a better person. You know. God will bless you.
Amen.
Hi guys, good morning. This is beautiful Friday morning. It's currently 10 a.m. The time is 10 a.m. Where do I start from? I think I'll show you guys my P&L for the week, right? And after yesterday, I couldn't just shoot. I was going to do this yesterday and just edit today, so I can upload tomorrow. The way it is going now, I may end up uploading on Sunday. I was so tired after yesterday's worker at the shop. Okay, let me record my screen and show you my P&L for the week. I didn't trade. Last trade I took was on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, and it was actually Euro USD. Where are you, my love? There you are. It was this trade, right? Though I did not I left the trade early. I left the trade around here. When price got here, I think I left the trade around here or something. Then yeah, I didn't trade yesterday because by the time I was back from the shop, I met this movement. I just realized it's new, so there's no point. And today I'm not trading because today's NFP and I don't want anything. I don't want any wahala. I don't want any issues. Yeah, so I don't want any wahala. I don't want any issues. I didn't trade. I'm not trading today till Monday. And guess what, guys? I missed this trade on GBP USD. You know, I was talking about it. I literally talked about it the previous day that if I was going to enter the trade, I would enter from here. And I didn't think about it because I was just focused on Euro USD. I was watching the market and I forgot to set a buy limit, and By the time my Euro USD moved, I said, let me come and check. Oh, let me see what's up. And this happened. So, yeah, I learned something new this week. The first candle roll. I'm not using it to trade. I'm just using it to confirm my positions. For example, this is it. Let me show you guys here. So this right here is this is the candle that I marked out. Price broke out early on, so that means that means it was going to be a buy, and price actually bought. And same thing here. I marked it right here, and price broke out buy. So today I marked it out, price broke down, so that means a sell, right? So but I'm not trading today. So I'm going to try and keep testing it next week. I'm going to stick with my setup, but I'm going to use this first candle rule for confirmation, just to check that my setup is actually A plus and everything. So let's go to my journal, my trades for this week. That's about 10 trades. The most amount I lost, thanks to stop loss, was $1.4, and that trade was USD and the most amount I gained was $5. Yay! Let's go back to my dashboard and see. Okay, yeah, total of 10 trades this week. Lost 5, won 5. So my win rate is currently 50%. Average, yeah, and my average risk to reward ratio. So my account is currently $8 up. So from $10 to $18. And the way it works in my mind is $10 to $18. So if it was $100, this would be $100 to $180. If it's $1,000, $1,000 to $1,800. That's how it works in my head. I think it can play out like that in real life with proper risk management, and strict system. So now let's see my weekly reflection. Week ending June 7th. What went well this week was using my setup. My God, that setup is fire. Miss Happiness Hansen, Mama, thank you so much. And you know the amazing thing, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, we share the same birthdays. Great people were born on May 10th. Yeah, because Lee Jae-wook, that guy, I'm gonna make him someday because it's my birthday. Me literally the same year, the same day, and the same month. So May 10 people were great. Yeah, so what mistake did I repeat this week? Taking too many trades. But in my defense, if I take a trade on Euro USD, I may most likely take something similar on GBP USD and NZD USD, and take an opposite trade in USD JPY and maybe GBP JPY. So that's like 5 pairs, and so you can see. So I will try Sha, and take like maybe only five trades per week. Oh well, let's see. The next question is, which setup worked best for me? It is still this my FMC setup, although I use first candle rule as confirmation, like I mentioned earlier. This setup, I'm glad I came across it. I'll give it my own name, or I'll look for the name Miss Happiness calls it, because I still call it Miss Happiness setup. That's what I still use. I'll look for what she calls it and I'll give it a proper name. What will I stop doing next week? Taking too many trades. I'll try. What will I do more of? Patiently wait for my setup, because setup is actually fire. Because something that I realized, that the reason I blew my account, because I was like just reflecting, and I realized that something that made me blow my account was not waiting. Price has jumped. I'll enter anyway, thinking price is going to go up. The price will go down, stop me out, and I'll lose money, blow my account or something. Like, patiently waiting for the setup. Even if it feels like it's not, today is Monday, you can see that before price go reach here, or it go reach like Wednesday. Just wait. It's best to wait for the best setup, because when price when price gets to your setup, the movement will just be up, you know, you get. So how did my emotions affect my trade this week? This week I was actually level-headed. I did not enter the market with my emotions. Excuse me. I didn't enter the market with my emotions. I was just going. Like, I was thinking clearly, should I take this? What's the logical reason behind this trade? Like, this week I was on fire. So that's it. That's my PNL for this week. Let's see here. So that's my PNL for this week, this beautiful week. And I'm very, very grateful. I learned a lot this week. I got to practice really good habits this week. I journaled. I took patient trades. I waited for my setup. Yes. And okay, drum roll. I got my first collaboration email, guys. Oh my god, I feel so happy because with my 500 subscribers, that's another big news. I crossed 500 subscribers. I don't think I've celebrated that here. I think I celebrated it on my WhatsApp status, but like I crossed 500 subscribers and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. So my small 500 subscribers, I didn't think like I've never considered collaboration with like brands, but I got reached out to and it means a lot to me. So the company is BTC Dana. So BTC Dana is an online trading platform. Okay, I have registered an account already. I'm going to use it this week. And I'll let you guys know so much more about it. But like the user interface is so nice. It's so beginner friendly. Like I tried to place a trade on the demo account this morning because I will not trade on my live account. I just tried to place a trade. It was so easy to place a trade and so let me use it first and I'll let you guys know how it is. We're going to talk about it in my next video, but I'm excited. I'm very excited. In the meantime, my link for registration is in my bio. And yes, guys, my journal is up for sale. You can see how it's so detailed, like very, very detailed. Basically, like everything a beginner needs in a journal. It's up for sale. The link is in the description too, so check it out. I have the free version and I have the paid version, so you can check out the free version first. Yeah. So guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching this week, and I think I'd say I wish you good luck and good trade.